Hello?
Miss Lestico, guess what time it is?
What time?
It's time for math!
Yay!
Hey, first grade, welcome to math.
That's right. I'm having so much fun with these word problems, Miss Line, and I can't wait to keep going.
That's right. Well, our target hasn't changed. It's still I can determine which operation to use and solve. And we've been doing a lot of good work, Miss Lestico. We looked at a movie concession stand and practiced figuring out if we had enough money and how much we were spending.
That's right. We can see and use word problem knowledge in everyday life because I know I have to solve word problems every time I go to a store or try to figure out how many of something that I need.
That's right. Well, before we get started today, we have a quick video that we're going to watch.
Hey kids, today we are in outer space to save some numbers. To save the numbers, we will need to answer some addition problems and use what we call the associative property. Will you help me? Great, let's get going. Here is an addition problem, and the answer is trapped. The only way to save the number is to answer the question in a different way than we normally do. Here we have 4 plus 3 plus 7 equals the trapped number that we do not know yet. There are a couple of ways we could solve this problem. We could add them in this order by counting on, using blocks, or even using a 10 frame. But to free the number, we have to do something different. We are going to use our knowledge of doubles and partners of 10 to free the answer. In this problem, we could add the 4 and 3 together, and that makes 7. Now we have a 7 to add to a 7, and that is a double. If you have learned doubles, you know that 7 plus 7 is 14. Wow! Because I added those first two numbers together, it gave me a double, which is easier to add when you know your doubles. That was much faster than counting all the numbers one by one. This is what we call the associative property. We are using what we know about numbers to make adding faster. Wait a minute, we just freed the 14, but now it's trapped again. It looks like we still need to look at another way of adding using the associative property. What is another way we can add this problem faster? Here is a hint. Look at the 3 and the 7. If we add the 3 and 7 together, we get 10. Many of us have memorized partners of 10. Two numbers that add up to 10, like 5 and 5, or 6 and 4, are partners of 10. So in this problem, 3 and 7 is 10, and 10 plus anything is super easy. We know that 10 plus 4 is 14. We solved the problem another way and did it way faster. We now know how to add problems like these much faster by looking for partners of 10 and doubles. Thank you so much for helping me free the answer. Keep practicing, and we will see you next time. Goodbye.
Wow, that was a really helpful video, Miss Lestico.
It was. Well now, Miss Lime, I'm seeing Target on the board.
That's right. I love shopping at Target, Miss Lestico.
I do too. Well, whenever I go to Target, I know sometimes I have to figure out how much I can actually buy with what I'm allowed to spend.
That's right. And sometimes I start putting stuff in my cart and I'm like, wait a second, how much money do I need to buy all of this stuff?
Well, I think we have some friends that are having the same problem and need our help.
We do. Our first friend is Lucan. And Lucan, he went to Target and he needs to buy socks, shoes, and a towel. So how much money does Lucan need?
Ooh, I'm noticing that keyword and in there, Miss Lime. I know when it says and, it means we're going to be combining things together or adding. So first I need to figure out how much socks and shoes and a towel is. And then I'm going to have to combine or add all of these amounts together to figure out how much does he need. Okay, well, I know a towel is worth $5. And then I'm going to add that to shoes, which are worth $7, and socks, which are $4. And I'm going to figure out the total, or how much he'll need in all. Well, I know that 5 plus 4 is almost almost 10. It's 9. And so then I would do 9 plus 7. Well, you add 1, which is 10. And then I have 6 left. So 10 plus 6 is 16. So he would need $16 to buy all 3 of these items. Let's look at our next problem. It says Hazel had $15. She went to Target and bought a new shirt and shorts. How much money did Hazel have left?
Ooh, okay. Well, it's asking how much she had left, which means I'm going to be subtracting. And she bought something, so that's where I'm going to take it away. Let me see. What did she buy? Oh, she bought a shirt and shorts. Okay, well, let me find a shirt right here. $9 and shorts right here, $4. Okay, so Hazel had $15, so that's what I'm going to start with. Here's her $15 minus, she bought a shirt, so I'm going to say minus 9. 15 take away 9. Well, that's almost 10. So if I had 15 minus 10, it would just be 5. But it's really 9, so I need to give 1 more back. So it would be 6. Okay, now I need to take away the money from her shorts. She bought shorts, which were $4. So here's her $6 left over from buying her shirt, minus the $4 from buying the shorts. So Hazel has $2 left. Okay, Johnny wants to buy a candy bar, toys, and some shoes. He has $13. Does Johnny have enough money?
Okay. Well, let's see. I know that he has a candy bar. Let's see. Toys that are $7 and some shoes, which are also $7. So I guess I'm going to add, because I see that keyword and in there. So I know that he's going to add all of these totals together and see, is it less than or more than $13? Oh, well, right away I'm noticing the shoes and the toys are both $7, which is one of our doubles facts. 7 plus 7 is 14. Oh, Miss Lime, I am already noticing 14 is more than 13. And I haven't even added the candy bar in there. Well, 14 plus $3 would be $17. That's definitely more than $13. I don't think he has enough money.
No, I don't think he does, Miss Lestigo. But he could maybe buy 2 of the things. I noticed when you did the 7 plus 7, it was a doubles fact in 14. That was too much already. But if I put 7 and 3 together, I know that's a 10 fact. So he could maybe buy 2 things.
And then he would have $3 left over because he would have only spent $10. Our last problem says Anaya has $20. She bought shoes and socks. What else can Anaya buy with her leftover money?
Okay, well, to figure out what else she can buy, I need to figure out how much money does she have left over. Okay, she had $20 and then she bought something, so we're taking that away. So I'm going to start with her $20 right here, and it says she bought shoes and socks. Here are shoes and here are socks. So I'm going to start by taking away the shoes, which were $7. Ooh, that one might be kind of tricky. I can count backwards if I don't just know that. I think I'm going to use that strategy, Miss Lestigo. So I have 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13. Oh, 13. So after she buys her shoes, she has $13 left. Now, she bought some socks. Okay, let me see. My socks were $4. So I'm going to take my $13 minus 4. Oh, and I just know that that equals $9. So Anaya has $9 left. But I'm not done, Miss Lestico, because my question doesn't ask how much does she have left. It asks me what else can she buy. Well, she could buy a shirt. That's $9. Oh, or she could buy like shorts and a towel because that would equal $9. It looks like Anaya has quite a few options of what she can buy.
It's your turn.
On Seesaw, you are going to have some questions to answer about these Target prices. On your paper, you'll have the same price sheet that we were working with. And it's up to you to find out, do we have enough money? How much money did we spend? What other items could we buy?
And of course, when you're done, click that green check mark. Good luck!